I'm going to show you how to change the RAM on a Mac Book Pro A1261. It's model A1261. Remove the battery. If you look, there's screws here. To remove these screws, you need a real tiny screwdriver, Phillips head. Once you have those 4 screws removed, this little metal plate lifts out, and you want to press these 2 little metal pins over, pull your memory cards out, get your new memory cards. Pop them in there. Upgrading from 2 1-gig sticks to 2 2-gig sticks. Should run nice with more memory. Put that plate back on there. Now, if you're putting used memory in this, you might want to turn it on and put 1 stick in at a time. Turn it on, turn it off once it runs. Especially using used memory, because you never know, it could be dirty. And if it gives you an issue and it gives you any beeping problem or anything, take the memory out and take a piece of paper and wipe off the gold teeth on the memory and clean it up, and then try it again. These are brand new sticks of memory, and I know they're good, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the plate on now. I know it's going to work without a doubt. Once you have that plate on, put your battery back in it, plug it in and turn it on, and you've upgraded your memory.